We are delighted today to launch ColegauCymru's new report, which looks at the lessons from the Finnish vocational education and training system and how we can apply those lessons here in Wales. This was a tithe-funded project and visit, which looks at the lessons from one of the best vocational education and training systems anywhere in the world and how we can apply those lessons to the system and to colleges here in Wales. Hopefully you'll get a chance to read the report, but I want to highlight three key recommendations that we're publishing today. The first is to trust providers as the rightful custodians of high quality vocational education and training and give them the funding flexibility to respond to the needs of learners, employers and communities. The second is to invest in the professional learning of the vet workforce. They need the professional learning in order to deliver high quality education and training, and they also need the professional learning to be able to respond to the needs of employers now and in the future. Lastly, we're calling on Welsh Government to commit to a vocational education and training strategy. We need all parts of the system to pull together as one, to be able to bring all the different parts, all the different funding streams together for one purpose. It's long overdue, been calling it now for a number of years, and it's time the Welsh Government acts.